In this video, we're going to show you how to install the crankshaft position sensor on your Nissan Murano, located in the front lower portion of the engine. Now, the vehicle raised and supported, we want to go ahead and access a component on the front side of the engine. However, most of these vehicles are going to have a plastic splash shield underneath. Ours is missing, but if you have yours, it's going to be a series of plastic push pins around the perimeter and some 10mm bolts. You want to loosen and remove those and remove that splash shield. Now, right here is our crankshaft position sensor. We're going to use our 10mm socket to loosen and remove the bolt, holding it in place. Now, there is an electrical connector that also goes to this. Sometimes it's easier to remove it before you remove the sensor. Sometimes it's easier to remove it after, but we're going to remove that bolt holding it in. There it is. I'm going to pull that sensor out. You can pull that down. It gives us a little bit more room to work with. There's a little tab right here you want to push in. Pinch that tab and pull that harness connector off of that sensor. Now we're still having a hard time removing this here, so push on that tab, and I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver and gently get between the connector and the sensor and work this on both sides. There it is. Now we're going to install the sensor into the engine first. I'm going to work that in there. And we'll install the bolt. All right, let's go ahead and torque that down. Let's go ahead and torque this down to 5.2 foot-pounds. And then we'll go ahead and install the connector. There we go. Line that up, push it on. You're going to feel it and hear it click into position. After you've done this here, go ahead and install the splash shield if you do have it. Don't forget, before you run the vehicle, go ahead and use a scan tool. Properly clear that code if you have a check engine light for that crank position sensor, and then go for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.